Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this audio sounds okay. New equipment. Anyways, Born Pretty sent me another gel polish set to share with you guys. So as usual, this is the packaging. The box is a bit damaged, but the plastic seal is intact, so our polishes should be fine. So let us open this up and see what we got. I'm going to show you the polishes and swatch as usual. So here we have them, you guys. This is a 6 polish set, 6 gel polish set from Born Pretty. On the box you have usual information, customer service, so on and so forth, and then you have this little booklet that comes with these sets. But well, with most Born Pretty products you get this booklet. It gives warnings and different instructions on applying different products and so on. So this is the Born Pretty Nude Gel Polish Set, 6 colors. Yeah, let me get these out so we can take a look at the different colors and then get to swatching. Okay, so here we have them. Now let's take a look at these. So first we have BPCC01. And this is a very nice shade. It looks white. It may look white to some people, but it's not white. It's just a very pale nude. It's a peachy white. I don't know how to describe it, but you guys can see it's a pale nude, but it's a nude. Next we have BPCC02, which is a shade or two darker than the first one. When I first opened these, I thought of coffee, like coffee with different levels of cream. Like the very first one is just cream. The second one has like a tiny bit of coffee. Now this one is BPCC03. Has a little bit more coffee than the previous one. Next we have BPCC04. And this is like coffee with a ton of cream. Like a proper serving of coffee with a ton of cream. And I love these nudes. I love these shades. Next we have BPCC05. And this is how I like my coffee. Next, okay, moving on, we have BPCC06. And this is just coffee with like a tiny drop of cream. So those are our 6 colors, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch them. I have my swatch sticks ready. Now, as usual, I'm not gonna be chattering throughout the swatch portion, but I'm gonna be applying one coat curing that, and then I'm going to be applying a second coat so you guys can see what these polishes look like with a single coat or a double coat. And yeah, they are very creamy and very pigmented, guys. So I mean, if you want to go one coat with these, it's doable. So this is the first coat of BPCC01. I'm gonna shut up now, kick back, relax, and enjoy. So there we have it. I've applied the first coat of all 6 polishes. They've been cured. Now I'm going ahead and applying a second coat to each swatch. So there we have them, you guys. That's 2 coats applied on each swatch. Gonna let them cure, and here we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these colors again, and unfortunately I don't even have time to play with these. I am flooded with work. I recorded this literally while taking a break from doing some work. I'm doing this voiceover on another work break. So yeah, the end of the year is always busy. But yeah, these are the colors. First I showed BPCC01, then BPCC02. This is BPCC03. BPCC04. 04 and 05 are my favorites. Next we have BPCC05. Pardon me, I'm looking at what I'm doing on a monitor instead of looking at my hands. So you notice the swatches keep slipping. And this is BPCC06. So those are all 6 shades, you guys. Let me know what you think of the entire set. Let me know what you think of the shade range in this set. I really love it, and yeah, I can't wait to play with these. I can't wait to be able to play. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me this set of polishes. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit that sub button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.